Hey, Farmer Q here real quick. We got 3 bags of organic matter. We got 2 bags of carbon-based organic matter, leaves. We got 1 bag of green-based organic matter, just some weeds that I pulled with no seeds in them, but some may have seeds in them, don't really matter because I'll pull weeds in the garden, so I don't really care. So here's what we got. We're about to make a compost pile, or at least start a compost pile real quick. Let me open my other eye. The sun's in my face, I'm sorry, but I'm making this real quick. So we're gonna take these 3 bags right here, dump them right here, and then I'm gonna mix them up real quick and start the compost pile. It's gonna be raw, it's gonna be gritty, it's gonna be good to go though. So let's get it. All right, so we got our pitchfork here, and we're about to mix up some compost. We'll start off moving this hay, this ball of hay over here. I put this hay here months ago because I wanted to get a good base started for the compost. I found, you know, I was on a job with my buddy and I was like, "Did you take my loppers?" And these loppers was under this hay the whole time. I didn't stay on him about it. I was like, "Hey, I know you didn't do it. We could, but look at me. Look at me right now." So back to the action. We're moving this hay. All right, we got the hay moved. First layer goes down. We got some leaves. Leaves. A few sticks in there. A few pecan shells. So we're getting this mixed up right over here. Just right over here for now. Next up. Oh, it's heavy. Next up. We got the leaves. Woo! Yeah. Well, we'll roughly mix it up with our hands here, and then we'll come back with the leaf rake. And we'll get the rest of these leaves up in here. Take out some of this stuff right here. All right, got those leaves up in there. Oh, there we go. We got a mixture going on with the rest of the weeds and some leaves. All right, so our pile's getting a little big here. Mixing it up a little bit. We got that hay up underneath it to catch all that good stuff. So when we come to the next season, we'll have a lot of good nutrition to top off the beds with. And really, I got a whole bunch of leaves, so we'll take some more weeds later and add more to it, but add some to the top here. And we'll add the rest of these bag of leaves right here. Fluff that up, mix it up. Oh, we got some hay up in there. Oh, some hay. And the hay being up around here is gonna help the leaves also decompose as we wet up the compost pile. So, and then all the juices from the compost pile is gonna flow right into the garden and nutrify all the greens right here. Nutrify the radishes, and the radishes are growing quite beautifully, but we'll show those later. And yeah, here we go. So we got the pile mixed up right now. What I'll do is come back later with some water. I'll bring the water hose over from the water barrel and I'll wet it up real good and we'll be good to go. That's it. Just wanted to show you all the quick starts to the compost pile. So that's Farmer Q out.